Got questions about CoolSculpting? In today's video, we're going to answer the top 5 questions that we get about CoolSculpting. Like, does it hurt? How much does it cost? What areas can be treated? If you have questions about CoolSculpting, please leave them in the comments below. Hi, I'm Becky Wilkins. I've been a registered nurse for over 30 years now. And in the last 25 years, I have been building our business here, External Affairs Medical Spas. We treat approximately 1,000 patients a month, and we're helping men and women achieve their goals from wellness to body treatments, skin treatments, injectable treatments. So let's get started answering your top 5 questions about CoolSculpting. Question number 1 is, what is CoolSculpting? What CoolSculpting is it's a technology that uses cryolipolysis. Cryo means freezing and lipolysis means fat cells. So we're freezing fat cells, and it does work to treat localized areas of fat. The body then breaks down these areas and excretes them, and the patient is left with a percentage of reduction in the area that's treated. Typically it's between 20 and 24% per treatment. Question number 2 is, who is a candidate for CoolSculpting? CoolSculpting is for clients who already work out, they already eat well, they're typically close to their ideal body range, or usually within 20 to 25 pounds, and they just have an area of stubborn fat. You know, that area that either you work out or you eat well and you just can't get rid of that little bulge. This affects both men and women who are in good shape. That's who CoolSculpting is for. So if we were to go ahead and treat, a patient who, say, has to lose 50 pounds, but they've got like a little bulge, they're probably not going to be super satisfied with the treatment. We do find that our happiest patients are the ones who are close to their ideal body weight. They've just got the pocket. Those are the ones who see the best results. Question number 3, what areas can CoolSculpting treat? So as you can see, I'm here with my lovely model, Chloe. And we're just going to show you on Chloe what areas we can treat with CoolSculpting. So starting at the top, we can treat this submental fat area. This has been very, very popular for us. Typically, it might just be one application under the middle of the chin. If somebody's got a bigger area of fat, sometimes they'll do several applications. We also can do these areas here. Sometimes people will call these like pierogi fat or bra fat, basically right here. So anything that you can pinch is an area that can be treated with CoolSculpting. If we go to her other side, we can actually treat definitely in through here. If you'd like to see a live demo on that, just watch our next video. We can also treat the flanks. So this backside part here, this is probably one of the most popular areas that we treat with CoolSculpting. Beautiful, beautiful results. As you can see, we've got various areas on the abdomen. So later on I'll be talking about the applicators. This is sort of the size of the applicators, and they vary in size. Okay, so here we are on Chloe's lower body. As you can see, the areas that are marked, so the outer thigh, beautiful results for CoolSculpting. The inner thigh, none of us like that area here. And then also the fat that's on the top of the knee. Now here at External Affairs, we do kind of experiment with some of the off-label areas, like the fat in here. We're also looking at treating cellulite with a combination of Sculptra, so that's pretty cool. And we actually have events where we showcase a lot of these treatments. If you subscribe to our newsletter on our website, you can actually stay up to date on any upcoming cool events. So question number 4 is there downtime? And closely related to that is it painful? So from my own personal experience, I would say that the treatment itself was really quite comfortable. When the applicators are first applied to the skin, it feels extremely cold, almost like, when your fingers get a little bit frostbitten when that first starts happening. But then you get used to it, and then it's comfortable for the rest of the treatment. When they take the applicator off, the technicians actually do a very aggressive massage to the area for 2 minutes. That returns blood flow to the area, and it really starts the process of breaking down the fat cells. That 2 minutes isn't exactly comfortable, but it's worth it. And then after the treatment, usually for the first few weeks, you can actually feel a little bit of numbness. You can have some swelling in the area. I like that because it means that something actually happened to my fat cells. You can return to activities the next day, but because you're going to be a little bit swollen, you might not want to plan a treatment, say right before a holiday. You'd want to do it at least 3 or 4 weeks before, and ideally 2 or 3 months before, so you've got that slim, sexy tummy for your holiday. Question number 5, how much does CoolSculpting cost? This is the big concern, of course. So at External Affairs Medical Spas, we actually have the most modern technology that CoolSculpting makes. We have dual CoolSculpting, and we have the modern applicators, which actually suck the fat into the applicator way, way better than the older technology. Actually makes it more comfortable. So the pricing is actually based on how many applicators are applied to the area. So it's kind of difficult to give an exact quote unless you come in for a consultation, but just to give you an idea, if somebody had like just a little tiny sort of post-baby pooch below the belly button, they could be looking at a treatment, you know, as low as $750 or $1,500 for 2 little applicators, versus somebody who maybe has the whole abdominal area to be treated. That treatment might be up to $4,500. So just to give you a range, probably between $1,500 and $4,500. Best thing to do is come in for a consultation. So this is where we really, really encourage you to head over to our website and request a consultation, or call either location, our Edmonton location or St. Albert location. You can also go to our Instagram page to see a ton of before and after pictures, as well as our Facebook page. So follow us, get social, we'll give you as much information as we possibly can. See you soon. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And don't forget to leave us comments or questions down below so we can get to know you better.